Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the only way. Update and enable on device features. First, confirm you have an iPhone 14, at least 10 GB free, and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Make sure battery is above 50% or plug into power. Updates can pause if battery dies. Sign into your Apple ID and enable iCloud and iCloud backup so settings and data sync. Once done, go to Settings General Software Update and download the latest iOS that supports Apple Intelligence. After the update installs, you must turn on Apple Intelligence features in Settings. Open Settings and look for Siri and Search or a dedicated Intelligence section. Toggle the main switch to enable. Grant the required permissions when prompted: microphone for voice input, contacts and messages for context, and photos for image suggestions, and allow local processing where offered. Make sure iCloud Plus and Private Relay are configured if prompted, because some personalization uses secure iCloud data to improve results locally. To finish, restart your iPhone 14 and run a quick test. Ask Siri a contextual question or use a photo suggestion to verify Apple Intelligence responses. If you don't see features, make sure the iOS build actually includes Apple Intelligence for your device. Some rollouts are region or model restricted. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID, check Settings General Transfer, or Reset for reset all settings. Then re-enable permissions. That usually resolves permission or sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.